Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to apply to be a Canva creator. All right, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to the official Canva website and navigate to the Canva Creators page. Once you're there, look for the option that says Become a Creator and click on it. This will take you to the creator information and application page where you can start the process. Next, click on the Apply button. Then you'll need to choose your business type, which helps Canva understand your professional background and the kind of work you do. Once that's done, click Continue and select your niche topics. These are the areas you specialize in or are passionate about, and you can choose more than one if needed. Next, select your business segment and define your business function. This helps Canva categorize your application correctly. After that, you'll be asked to share your reasons for applying and provide links to your design work so Canva can review your portfolio. Finally, complete the remaining details like how you heard about the program and your language preference, then submit your application for review. So that's basically how you can apply to be a Canva creator. That's it for this video. Thanks!